Namaste. I welcome all of you to my pre-30 days healing challenge where I heal health, relationship, career and money area. Today is day 12. We will be covering something from the financial area, which is limiting money belief. I will be using 3 techniques to it so you can get better result. So first 2 techniques, just you need to close your eyes and put hands on your heart and repeat after me. Let's start. Close your eyes, put hands on your heart and repeat. I take 100% responsibility for having limiting belief about money. I'm sorry for carrying this limiting belief from my childhood, maybe from my parents. Please forgive me for not letting it go, for not releasing it. Thank you for allowing me to heal and release this belief, let it go, this belief. I love all the learnings and realizations this belief has given me because it was necessary for my journey. Whatever stuck in my body, whether it is physical or emotional, conscious or unconscious, good or bad, right or wrong, whatever I have done, because of that, this belief got created. Now I allow this belief to be here without any resistance, without any fight, without any judgment. I welcome it fully, I accept it fully, and I own this. Now I lovingly and peacefully letting this belief goes. All my limiting belief I am ready to release now. Right now, I am releasing all my limiting belief about money. Release. I release every memory about my limiting belief regarding money. Release. Every emotion about money which is created limiting belief. Release. Every voice about this limiting belief about money. Release. And every energetic imprint across all the timeline, generations, and lifetimes about this limiting belief of money, release. Now I let go my limiting belief about money from my every cell of my body. I let go all the limiting belief about money from every thought of my mind. I let go all the limiting belief about money from my all the emotions. And I let go all my limiting belief about money from my all the beliefs from subconscious. I let go all the limiting beliefs pattern from my life. I let go all the limiting belief from every timeline. Whatever is attached to it, everything I let go. Visualize the limiting beliefs about money is melting and dissolving. It's going away from your body. Like a fog, they are dissolving in the sun. Take a deep breath and release it. I am now ready to lovingly let go all family-based limiting belief about money. Release. I release limiting belief about money from my mind, from my body, from my energy. Release. I release all the limiting belief about money from conscious and subconscious, both. Release. I release all the limiting belief about money from my childhood, from my past life, from my ancestral lineage. Release. I release all the limiting belief about money from everywhere about me, all level, all layer. Release. I release all the limiting beliefs about money from my belief, from my emotion, from my behavior, and from my identity, habit, from everywhere. Release. Now, take a deep breath and release it. I lovingly release the belief that say money is hard to earn. Release. I lovingly release wanting money is wrong. This belief. Release. I lovingly release we don't deserve to be rich. This belief. Release. I lovingly let go anything and everything about it. From my roots, from my bloodline, from everywhere. I choose to be free now. Take a deep breath. Release it. Repeat. I take 100% responsibility for the money belief I inherited from my family. I take 100% responsibility for the pattern I observed without questioning them. And I take 100% responsibility for carrying the scarcity in my life, knowingly or unknowingly. I'm sorry for believing that money is bad and unsafe. I'm sorry for holding guilt and fear about money. I'm sorry for pushing abundance away due to loyalty to my family pain. Please forgive me for not healing this earlier. Please forgive me for judging my parent or ancestor for what they have believed. Please forgive me for passing this belief forward in my actions and thought. Thank you for showing me what I need to heal. Thank you for the opportunity to shift my entire lineage. And thank you for strength and release me and rewire myself. I love you to all my family struggle and pain. I love to the child inside me who wanted to feel safe with money. And I love to my new story filled with ease, prosperity, and joy. I own this energy now so I can transform it. I own my power to create a new money reality. I own my divine right to be rich and generous. I let it go, dear limiting belief. Your purpose is complete. I let it go of fear, lack of ancestral woes of struggle. And I release you with love, peace, and gratitude. Let's do the EFT now. Follow me. Karate chop point, tap and say, even though I carry many beliefs from my family that limits me, I deeply and completely love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though I was taught that wealth is unsafe or wrong, I now choose to release the pain from all levels. I completely and accept and love myself the way I am. Even though I feel guilty wanting more, I am ready to rewire myself with abundance. I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Two finger here. Money is hard to earn. This belief, release. Wanting more money is wrong. Release. We don't deserve to be rich. This belief, release. Every memory about these beliefs, release. Every emotions about this belief, release. All my experiences about this, release. Whatever I am carrying from my childhood about money, release. All the negative things, release. From my mind, body, energy, from everywhere, whatever limiting things, beliefs are there, release. For conscious and subconscious level, all the limiting beliefs, release. From my childhood, from all my belief, identity, from my behavior, from everywhere, released. Whatever limiting things are there in my health area which is holding me back, release. Whatever limiting belief I have in my relationship which is holding me back from having a good relations, release. Everything that is holding me back in my career, release. All the limited thing and holding me back about money and financials, release. Anything and everything, whatever is stuck, known or unknown, that completely release. Take a deep breath. If you have specific belief, you want me to identify those beliefs and release it then and there with advanced techniques, you can book free one-on-one call by visiting my website. If you want to understand the science behind this technique, how it works, just book a one-on-one call. I'll give you free clarity on this. I'm happy to do that. Any other limiting belief you want me to heal from me, book a one-on-one call and let's do it. Go on my website. There are a lot of gifts for you, whether it is free ebook to identify limiting belief, how to identify it, and like how to understand your emotion, how to identify your emotional pattern, the loop which is keep repeating, and the limiting beliefs, what's holding you back. There are a lot of techniques given in my free book, which is ebook. You can visit website, go there and download it if you want. Thank you for allowing me to heal. Keep healing, keep growing. Let's heal together. Let's grow together. Thank you.